Hey, welcome to How To in a Few. Today we're in the garage, a little messy in here. One of the things, just recently got the garage back working since our flood. The little light beam sensors at the bottom had gotten wet and shorted out and rusted up the brackets and all that, and I was able to get those, and I didn't make a video because I figured how many people have to do that, but the garage door opener is working again, which can allow me to install this thing that I actually picked up a couple months back. It was like a 2-for-1 special with a wireless extender. They threw this in for almost the price of what it would have been to buy one of them. I got both products. So this is the MyQ Smart Garage Hub, and I mean, like what it's telling you, it's smart, so what it does is it incorporates it into whatever smart system. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box and what we need to do to get this thing rolling. Alright, not going to do anything fancy, just going to use this stuff right here to look what's inside. I've actually already looked. Surprisingly simple. We have the main hub, which actually comes with a light. And then we have some mounting hardware, a 110 adapter, and then there's also this this is the sensor that's going to go on the garage door. This is how the unit knows, is the door open or is it shut. Alright, so I've actually already mounted the mount. I thought I felt a stud, so I didn't put it on the J-tubes, put it onto the siding, but this thing is very light. I have no reason to believe that it's gonna in any way fall down once I mount it. Alright, that's in place. Now the actual instructions say to download the app and follow the instructions. There's no mounting instructions in the box. So let's go ahead and download the app and see where we are in the process. Probably might have to unplug that and reset it in a minute. Alright, let's get started. Sign up or sign in. It's not making it easy, so I'll have to type everything in. Hang on. Alright, registration successful. Had to, it sent an email, and I had to register that email, make sure it was verified. Okay, then it gives me a bunch of devices to select from, and it looks like it's this one right here, MyQ Smart Garage. Before you get started, this is what you need. We got that. We have Wi-Fi. We have my path. We do, and boom. Go to your garage and plug in your device in any outlet. Do not mount it yet. Well, we already did. Do you see a blinking blue light? There is in fact a blinking blue light, so we're going to click yes. Alright, it now has told me that it's discovered the device, so I'm selecting that one, connect it, hit connect. Alright, so it's now disconnecting my phone from the Wi-Fi and connecting directly to the device. Alright, so I'm giving it the password and let's see if it'll connect. Oh, we actually have a successful connection despite the fact that our Wi-Fi is a mesh. Alright, next. Alright, next thing, they want me to pull the tab on the door sensor. So let's go ahead and do that. tab is pulled. Next, push and release the button on the front. Okay, I did see a red LED. Next up, will pair you to your door sensor to your smart garage. Tap next to begin. Next. Now push and release. Door sensor is now paired. Alright. Now it's going to show me a video. A video in a video. Alright, so I just cleaned the surface right here where I'm going to mount the sensor. They apparently wanted it on the top panel. I have windows on mine. I don't want to stick it on the window, but I have a clean area right here. These parts are insulated, so I don't want to put it there. If all else fails, I'll end up using the screws that they provide to actually mount it by screwing it into the wall. It is actually on. These sticky tabs are Velcro. Alright, let's see what the app says to do next. Ooh, probably should have hit that before we mounted it. Well, they are again saying to put it on the top panel, which we kind of did. Alright, it's giving us all the instructions that were in the video. So I guess as long as we listen, we should be alright. Next steps, will pair your smart garage to the door motor. Okay. Alright, garage door is going to move. Next, grab the ladder, access your garage door, grab blah 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 blah. Alright, we are a Chamberlain. Alright, we need to find the program button. Let's go ahead and fortunately got all kinds of stuff. Alright, I am already going to assume that program button's on the other side. Alright, that could be it underneath here. Little red button. Okay, yep. We found it. We have a red button. Press and release like a doorbell. Open it like flashes, release. You know what? Maybe this red button is orange. You're not going to believe this. After shining my phone's light on it, it appears the button may not be red, may not be orange, and is in fact purple. So let's try the purple. Well, that looks like that one was a winner. Give a guy a heart attack. Alright, it's giving me a check. What would you like to call your garage door? I'm going to call it garage door. Oh, there's going to be loud beeps and a flashing light when the door shuts now. Alright, garage door is open. And not that loud. That's a bit extreme. And it's telling me the garage door is closed, which of course we know. Alright, let's see. Works with Honeywell, Claire Controls, Alpine. And we're going to do Google Assistant. Maybe. Launch. Alright, so after a couple minutes, this is where we stand. Kind of odd. Not sure I like what's going on. Chamberlain, I mean, I don't want to talk bad about you, but they have it set up to be a subscription service. Now, it's free for a limited time, which apparently has been for years. So they reserve the right at some point to charge you for being linked to the Google services. So that's kind of crappy, but maybe another solution will come along. I tell you right now, I'm not going to pay a monthly fee to control my garage door with my phone or with my voice. Second issue, the garage door wouldn't even open. So I'm wondering if that's some kind of safety mechanism so that nobody else can open your garage, but that's not what I wanted. My phone is secure. It recognizes my voice. I wanted it to open my garage when I asked it to open the garage. Not open the app, which is what it does now. It opens the app for me. Let's see if it'll close the garage. Okay, Google. Close the garage door. So, still not working. Alright, so there we go. Not as good as what I had hoped. The unit does not open it directly through Google, as it says. I can only get it to open up the app. I'll play with it a little bit more, but truthfully, I've never had even this much difficulty with setting up a light bulb or a light switch or you know, any of the other items that we have that function automatically. Even the thermostat was not this difficult. I mean, everything was easy to set up and all that, and it does work. I can press the button and my phone closes the garage, but I have plenty of buttons already to press to operate my garage in the cars, the little one things that came with it. I have a little remote key thing that looks like the alarm fob or whatever you call them. Have all that already. I don't even know the button to press. You sold me a smart garage, which means it's supposed to open when I ask it to open, and it doesn't. So needs some work there, but hopefully this helped you. If you have one of these or are planning on getting one, I don't know if it's man, I don't like to give negative feedback on items. I mean, the whole setup was great and easy. I'm not getting why it's not going to open it up. So there you go. Tell you what, I'm going to do this. I'm going to play with it a little bit more. And if before I am ready to publish this video, I can get it to work with voice control, then I'll go ahead and redo the closing here in a more positive light. But as it stands right now, this is what it is. So hopefully that helps you out. If so, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, because that's what helps keeping YouTubers like me making videos like this for you. Thanks for watching. Okay, Google, open the garage. Okay, Google, open the garage. all it does is keep trying to open the app. Later. Alright guys, so this is actually take 2 on the closing for the video. I did, believe it or not, figure out how to get it to respond to my voice after having lots of issues. Everything was great and easy, the setup, the install, but the linking to the Google Home Assistant was a problem. They're not using the usual route to link it. I had to first, this was part of the other video, I had to first go to their website and actually subscribe to what could be a paid service, but it's free for now. Limited time. They reserve the right to start charging me. Now they didn't ask me for any credit card information, so it leads me to believe that this was some kind of information grab scheme. And by the way, they do have a link at the bottom of the website that says don't sell my personal information. And I saw that, I was like, okay, what's this about? And I went to it and I filled it out, and they said they're going to review my request not to sell my information. Looks a little shady. With that being said, I mean, Chamberlain is a popular garage door company. I think LiftMaster is another brand that's operated by them, and then the MyQ brand. So anyway, how did I get it to link? I applied for their subscription thing. That did something. I was able to say, blah, 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 and it would open up the app, but it didn't do anything for me. Then I came across some instructions about the format. You have to use Google Assistant to ask MyQ to do something for you. So you can't say, to Google, open the garage door. You have to say, hey Google, ask MyQ to open the garage door. And then it opens up MyQ, and MyQ comes in and says, I can handle that. It's kind of weird. So let's go try it out real quick. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to turn on its garage light.
I don't see any lights on your account. You can add lights in the MyQ app.
Okay, so MyQ doesn't know how to do that.
Ask me if your garage door is open or closed, or ask me to close one or all of your garage doors.
Okay, so MyQ is actually in the conversation now, so it's almost like, a three-way conversation.
Sorry, what was that?
Can you tell me if the garage door is shut?
Which door do you mean?
The garage door.
Garage door is closed.
Okay, so that was pretty involved just to find out whether the garage door was closed. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to open the garage door.
Which door do you mean?
The garage door.
Garage door is closed.
Okay, so did not open it, just telling me that it's closing it. So, at this point in time, I am presuming that it is not possible to open the garage door through voice control. Maybe security reasons, safety reasons, I don't know. You saw the difficulty I was just having. I'm going to go ahead now, close all the apps, and I'm pretty sure if I ask it to close the door, it's going to close the door, but it will not open the door. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to close the garage door. Let's try it again. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to close the garage door. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to open the garage door.
What is the door name?
Garage door.
Garage door is open.
So it does know that the door is open. I don't know. You're gonna have to make up your own mind on this product. I'm trying so hard. I really am. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to close the garage door. Alright, so in all honesty, what was that? 10 minutes? 15 minutes? This product needs some work. I just can't do it. I can't. I really want to be good, but I can't. I can't. Man. Alright. I hope that helps you out. If so, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Man, I can't get over it. It's like I really worked hard to get this to work. But I'm gonna give it one more shot. One more shot. Okay, Google. Ask MyQ the status of the garage door.
Garage door is closed.
That's what I want to hear. I want to be able to ask it when I'm at work. Can I leave the garage door open? I can ask it and it says no, it's closed. Okay, Google. Open the garage door.
Opening MyQs.
Alright, so I messed that up. It pulled up the app. Okay, Google. Ask MyQ to open the garage door. Ask MyQ to open the garage door. Okay, Google. Ask MyQ if the garage door is open. Okay, Google. Ask MyQ, is the garage door shut? Okay, Google. Ask MyQ, what's the status of the garage door?
Which door do you mean?
The garage door.
Garage door is closed.
Okay, Google. Ask MyQ to lift the garage door.
What is the door name?
Garage door.
Garage door is closed.
Okay, Google. Ask MyQ to open the garage door.
What is the door name?
Garage door.
Garage door is closed.
See, it'd be nice if it would tell me that it can't do that due to a safety concern. I've tried to close this video now. This is going to be the third time. So it is possible to open with the MyQ app. So whatever it is, it's not me. It's something that they're doing. I sure would like it to at least close, you know. Ultimately, I'd like to have like a routine where I say, okay, Google, good night, and it turns off all the lights in the house, turns off the porch light, and closes the garage if it's open. But I'm not sure that that's going to even be possible with this. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to close the garage door. See, it's just simply not working. Okay, Google, politely ask MyQ to close the garage door. Okay, Google, ask MyQ the status of the garage door. Okay, Google, ask MyQ if the garage door is open. I'm getting like no responses. It just opens and shuts. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Let me open up Google Assistant. Okay, Google, ask MyQ to close the garage door.
I found this on the web.
Okay, Google, ask MyQ to close the garage door.
I'll work on that.
He's working on that. Alright. This is not smart. This is not fully functional. As badly as I want to find something positive to say, I can't. Yeah, I just can't. Seems like a great product. It should be working. I don't understand why it's not. Disappointing. Alright, this time for real. It's the end of the video. It's a wrap. Thumbs up if you liked it. Click the subscribe button to help me out. Those likes and subscriptions and views are the reason why YouTubers make videos like this for people like you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.